guys are disgusting. They're disgusting. Ew, Marvin! Ew!
I can't, don't worry.
You're bad, that's why.
I use them all up on your floor.
Andrew, no?
Ew.
Ow, that hurt. Really bad.
Ew! Stop burping! You guys burp.
Yeah, which one you prefer, the burp or the fart?
Huh?
Which one do you prefer, the burp?
Burps don't smell that bad. Burps don't smell as bad as farts.
Good job.
What's going on YouTube? I don't think they know I'm videotaping them. Hey, watch your language, homie.
Who's that? I was clearing my throat. Pump that.
He's 3. Ew! Who did that? These things are disgusting. Yeah. How long can your burping contest go? Like, they started even before I was recording.
Where are you going?
What the heck? Ew. Allison, they're disgusting.
Andrew, your turn.
Okay, I'm laughing.
Andrew, your turn.
That one failed. My brother thinks he's so cool.
I'm gonna burp like that. I think like a movie.
Wait, let me get one first.
Steven, no meat.
I'm going to 14. I'm going to 14.
I don't.
You can't eat it. I'm going to 14. Well, you're 14. He has 14.
Wait, we didn't go to your birthday. You didn't have it yet.
You didn't have the party yet.
You loser.
When was it?
Party cake will sit.
No, we're gonna have a group party later. Are you guys done burping now?
Kinda. I got one coming. I can feel it.
Well, oh, ew.
I'm not going to start.
Ew. Okay, bye.